I welcome all of you in Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am showing with you our client requirement website. Okay, let's go to website. This is our client WordPress website. Our client requirement was you will design same to Shopify. He also moved to Shopify because its traffic is huge and a lot of that's why he would like to move on Shopify website. This is his WordPress website. Okay. He also said to me, you will make same design. It's not similar, but close. I'm also try to accept her accept his command or request. Okay, let's go to Shopify website. What I am design. This is I am also logging into WordPress Shopify logging access. This is admit part. Okay, I will go to visit homepage, view. This is WordPress site and this is Shopify site. This is WordPress and this is WordPress and this is Shopify. Shopify site. Okay, we'll go to about section. Okay, about section. This is Shopify about section what I am designed. And also we'll go to WordPress about section. You can see similar. This is shop. Okay, we'll go to service section. This is service section. We'll focus on these two section. Okay, let's go to WordPress site. Service. Look, this is similar part. This is third section. This is third section. Fourth section. Fourth section. Okay, we'll go to bike gallery. Lot of page here, but I cannot able to see all page because lot of page I have to create here. That's why this is gallery section. Look at the similar. The design was similar. Not same, but close, I think. We'll go to contact from. This is contact page on WordPress. This is contact page on Shopify. We go to schedule fitting. This is sure WordPress is schedule fitting page. I think I'm also able to create able to similar page. Look at all pages are close to WordPress website. Thank you so much to watching our video. If you'd like to interested design on me or our team, you can mail. This is our mail address. Okay, you can also go to our Facebook page. This is our Facebook page. Here is email and the phone number. You can also connect all our WordPress, all our social media. Also, you will connect with WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp. This is our WhatsApp number. Okay. Thank you so much.